There you are. Kill him, man. Kill him, man. Nice. Oh, wow! Honestly, we're about an hour or two late being out here. So we had to bust birds just to get set up. We was like, we're just gonna try it. Man, no sooner we can just get set up. We got birds just pounding us. We got birds out in the field. They're getting that transition over here. We got more birds coming, so this might be a quick limit. Oh, here's three. Get down, get down, get down, get down, get down. Two right here, I'm gonna get them. Ready? Oh, nice. Yeah. Good shot, Dad. All right, well, it is crazy, fast and furious. Oh, there's more coming. We're gonna get down and see what these do. Yeah, Dad, they're coming our way. Get these straight in front. Get them. Oh, there's two back there. There's more coming behind us. Get down, get down. Kill him. That one got pounded. I don't know. We need to go get some of these cripples. Oh, they're coming in. Holy crap. Holy shoot. How did we miss those? Okay, well, crazy, man. Birds everywhere on us right now. Got caught out on those. Group picking up birds. Trying to get the cameras reset, getting rained on. It's helter-skelter out here. What do you think? It's pretty great. Gonna get a count on our birds. We may have already shot our limit for 2 right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 birds. 2 more. Geese, 4 coming in. Here. Ready? Yeah, I got the one right. What the? I'm empty. You kidding me? Did you get one? Mine was, I got one, but my freaking gun. No, I was empty. Man, I don't know if this could get any more helter-skelter. We're trying to get counts. We're trying to get covered up. Raining on us. Crazy out here. So we needed 2 to finish our limit. We had 2 come right in there. Man, not paying any attention. My gun is completely empty. I come up, that's a chip shot, empty gun. Nathan got one of them, so now we need 1 more bird and we'll be done with our 2-man limit. And again, we're waiting on my son-in-law Adam's coming out. I got Adam here. What do you say? Nice rainy day. Yeah, got my son-in-law Adam out here. This will be his first time pull a trigger this season. Oh, right here. Shoot him, Adam. Shoot him. Get in front of it. Get in front of it. Get in front of it. Nice. Baby. Nice. Oh, the other one's hurt. Hey. Okay. Go ahead and go out there. Take some shelter. Take shelter. All right, so we got 1 banded goose that we don't know if it was Nathan or I that shot it. Nathan and I are gonna choose closest number from 1 to 10. We'll have Adam pick the number. Adam, you ready?
All right, I got the number.
Okay. Go first, Nathan.
5.
Oh boy. I'm gonna go 6.
It was 1.
Oh man! All right, Nathan. Good job, buddy. I'm glad he's got out here. He got a limit of geese and he got a banded bird. So that makes his season. Want my gun, Adam? Okay, here, come here, grab my gun.
You didn't even get the action.
That's okay. Lay it down in here in the blind.
13 birds. That's awesome.
So we can get 2 more?
We need 2 more.
Yeah, we need 2 more.
Hey, out front, out front. This is too far in front of There's 2. Oh yeah, there's comes the group.
Genuinely, they're all.
Get that flag. I am. There's 2 coming out. Yep. There you are. Kill him, man. Kill him, man. Nice. Oh, wow! Oh my gosh, Adam.
Let's go.
Okay.
There's one behind us.
No, you're done.
I hope I on the video. So Adam needed 2 geese. This is a good. Yeah. This is a good story. Adam needed 2 geese to be done with his limit. So Adam is using a pump gun now because his gun was jammed. I let him use my gun. It shimmed so bad for me that he couldn't hit anything with it. So we gave him a pump. Adam can't use a pump. He only gets 1 shot. We have 1 bolt in the gun. He can only use 1 shot. And he kills 2 geese with 1 shot. I love it.
That's awesome.
Hey, get ready, Brandon.
Hey, get ready, get ready, get ready.
They like literally start circling back.
Hey, 2 geese up front, 2 geese up front. 2 geese up front, right out front. Coming right in. Okay, Brandon.
All right.
Brandon.
Oh, got it.
Okay, that was epic. Let's go.
He's up though.
That was awesome.
All right, well that is a limit. We got 3-man limit. My friend Brandon came out here. He needed to kill 1 more geese. He killed 4 earlier, and he was able to take 2 came right in front. He picked out 1 of those. We got 1 banded geese. Great hunt. So a lot of fun. I think that's all I want to say.
Yeah, my ears are still ringing.
Yeah, we're tired.